Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Young Living haul for the month of January.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I'm really excited about this haul. It's very different for me. It's pretty random, but I like that. I feel like I have to roll up my sleeves to get in here. So let's start with the shampoo and conditioner. I got the lavender shampoo, which I believe I've tried before, but the conditioner that I had been using was the lavender mint, and I'm not really a fan of the mint smell, so I just got the plain lavender conditioner for the first time. These last me a long time, even though they're small. You don't need a lot, and they are natural, which is amazing because they don't have sulfate, which is much healthier for you. But sulfate makes it set up, and so when you don't have that, I find it's like kind of hard to feel like you're getting enough and distributing it everywhere. So I bought a really cool little tool, and this is from Amazon. I will link this below, but it is just a little rubber brush, and you put the shampoo in your hair in the shower and you just scrub, and it does a really good job at A, helping it set up a little bit more, and B, distributing it all over your scalp. This was pretty cheap, I think like $13. I feel like they're kind of popular right now, and I've wanted to try it, and I did, and I approve. Okay, I also got some makeup from the Savvy Minerals line. It is their all natural makeup line. I am really excited about this. So it is a foundation, and I got Cool number 2. I am not so sure about that yet. It's hard to like pick your color when it's online, but this is what it looks like, and I guess I'll let you know. My plan is to still use my BB cream and then kind of set with this, and I will try to tell you in next month's haul what I think about this, and I'm sure I'll share my thoughts on Instagram at Danielle Gets It Done. Speaking of letting you know, last month I hauled a poppy seed lip scrub, and I've been loving it. It's totally helped with my dry lips. They're still quite dry. I've always had dry lips, and it's January, but they've helped so much. So I also wanted to try their chapstick. This is their grapefruit chapstick. Feels really good. So I too will let you know about this. I think they also have this in a lavender scent. I love lavender, but I don't really like it on my lips, and so I went with grapefruit. I think I'll like that a little bit better, but I'm excited. I need all the help I can get in the lip moisturizing category. And then oils, kind of a smaller haul this month. The first is Thieves. This is actually for my brother-in-law. Thieves is an awesome oil. It's one of my top 5. It is a blend of, let's see if I can do this, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary, lemon, clove. I think that's right. And it's great for immunity support, and so you can put some with the carrier oil on the bottom of your feet. This white label is the Vitality line, meaning it's FDA approved for oral consumption, and it smells fantastic, if you can imagine, as I read off those ingredients. So this is a really great one to have if you only have a few oils. I think one of them should be Thieves. And then we have Digize. This was a freebie this month, and Digize helps with digestion issues, as you can maybe tell from its name. I think this smells disgusting. I think most people do. If you like the smell of Digize, definitely leave a comment below, because I think that's pretty rare. But however, I still use this a lot, and I really like it because it does help whenever I'm feeling a little crampy or sick to my stomach. I will just rub it on my stomach with a carrier oil, or sometimes I'll actually rub it on the bottom of my feet. Our pores are really big on the bottom of our feet, so that's a great place to put essential oils. And I especially like doing it with Digize because, again, I don't like the smell, and the bottom of my feet are much farther away from my nose than my abdomen, so that's a really good tip. That is everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about Young Living or how to get started, leave a comment below or connect with me via Instagram. I hope you have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.